Lily at Reed Ranch. What I have here is I'm sitting down. I have a card I just finished. Here's the hot mess card. What? There's so much going on here. I'm gonna have to break it down. Because this is what it's all about. And let me just say, it is such a hot mess that it's a little bit picky. It wants to not do what I wanted it to do. Okay, there we go. So you just need to kind of yell at things. Okay. So, don't pay attention to my little cover things. But what I'm trying for you to see is that, of course, there's a hangy bit. There's this coming in from the side, this coming in from the side, and then there's that. This is an interactive card, not just because the pinata is going like this. And look at it's the stick. Oh my gosh. Okay, so instead of hitting the pinata with the stick, you have to actually hit the pinata with the stick. Or wait a minute. Did I say that right? You have to hit the stick with the pinata. Oh, isn't that cute? There's tacos on a little tablecloth, and it's a fiesta in the background. It's a fiesta in the front. It's a fiesta in the midground. It's a fiesta all around. Okay, now, I need both hands to do what I'm going to show you next. All right, I am back. I'm trying to live my best life, and the world's not working with me. Oh, that didn't work. I'm back. Okay, I've got high hopes for this one. Let's see if it's, okay, the whole thing can fit in here. So, okay, so the pinata swing, this isn't working at all. Okay, I can't tell you how many tries. I'm moving this thing around. So, the pinata has a little stick, but when you move the card, you can make, do you see the things coming in from the side? Oh, and the party too. So it's like little fireworks practically. So exciting, so exciting. And as you can see, I made it so that the back side said smile. Okay, well, this is a lot of layers, but it's designed to actually fold flat as an A2, which is your common card size. So see, when you fold it all up, it's like that, flat. I mean, it's thick, but it's still flat. Fiesta on, baby. Pretty exciting. Dog's back. Oh gosh. Are you having a fiesta? Fiesta!